In today's fast-paced business world, effective inventory tracking is more important than ever. Introducing the Serial Number History app, a powerful tool designed to improve traceability and streamline operations. With just a few clicks, you can trace serial numbers in your inventory and access its complete history, including all relevant documents. The app provides an easy-to-use overview that shows where a serial number has been used, its current status, and warranty information, all in one place. Color-coded visuals help users navigate to relevant documents quickly. What does this mean for your business? Better visibility leads to improved inventory management and ensures compliance with legal requirements for traceability. Customer service representatives can respond quickly to questions about product status or warranty claims. In conclusion, the Serial Number History app is more than just a tool. It is an essential partner in your business operations. Unlock your business potential today and discover the advantages of effective serial number management.